Today we're doing a family celebration because it's our 65th year here in Geneva, Illinois, making batteries for the United States. We had 3 food trucks, multiple different types of foods, inflatables, games, events for the whole family. So we want to have a celebration not just for the employees, but the employees' families, and in addition, celebrating all the people that were here before, be it retirees or former employees that we've had here at the Geneva Clarios facility. We had a band here that came down from our corporate headquarters in Glendale, Wisconsin, and it was comprised of not just people from the outside, all the employees from our corporate came down here to play as part of this band. I have to tell you, this is unbelievable what's happened here for this event here in Geneva. We had well over 600 people sign up for this wonderful event, and it's something that puts me in awe.